Hello traders, this is Alla Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci method. In this webinar, I will present how institutional Alpha Fibonacci trend system will improve your trading on all instruments. But first, let me remind you a very important required disclaimer. Fibonacci Trading Institute employees of FTI are not investment advisors and are not registered with any of the government authorities. Everything discussed in this webinar for education purposes only. All software products courses demonstrated as is for educational purposes. Nothing constitutes a financial advice or solicitation to buy or sell an instrument. Past performance not indicative of future results. All that you witness in this webinar does not give you any guarantee or any results. Trading future stocks, Forex options, and Bitcoin involves very powerful risks and not for everyone. All testimonials from students and graduates I believe to be true. No one had ever been paid for any testimonials and performance of the system and of my incredible students does not guarantee anyone else's performance. This is simply required disclaimer. In this webinar, we will cover about Alpha Fibonacci trading system, how to improve your trading with Alpha Fibonacci institutional trend system. We will go over multiple examples from day trading to long trading future stocks, Forex in current and prior markets. And you will see how Alpha Fibonacci traders trade with institutional trend system on all instruments. We will finalize the webinar where you will see how we planning our annual Genesis Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp during presidential election in US, which will be the most powerful, the most volatile week in the markets in years. Briefly about myself, I hold multiple degrees, I speak multiple languages. I made first million by the time I turned 30. 2004, I was introduced to Fibonacci. I became fascinated. 2008, when I witnessed crash in the markets, I developed first strategy that remains the core of the system. 2011, I founded Fibonacci Trading Institute, Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel. We also have podcast channel where you can listen testimonials, journeys, and stories students from all over the world. Since 2011, I mentored thousands of traders from beginner to Wall Street traders. How to trade the method I presented. I write, I teach, I mentor traders daily. A couple of photos from meeting with traders all over the world who are trading the method. I love what I do. Alpha Fibonacci trading system is a complete semi-automated system which has multi-market scanner and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci software. So here's a system in the live markets on Dow this morning. All identified days in advance. Days in advance, all students, all who's utilizing the method know clearly. This is your ultimate buy point. This is a place you never ever enter into. All in advance, never after the fact. If I convert the chart to 5, what do you see? Stunning and flawless reminder, market for the last 3 hours had been showing you clearly. This is not the place to buy. This is a place you should expect reversal from. And if you understand that this is the power of the system, on long-term stocks, on options, on Bitcoin, on futures, which also applies to crucial institutional charts, you are in excellent shape. You're trading with ultimate precision. because this structure on Dow and structure on gold weekly are twins. Buying the bottom is ultimate power, as multiple students and hedge fund traders have done on gold with Alpha Fibonacci system. Not the last 2 months, when gold reminded you clearly this is not the place to enter into, all identified years in advance. And that's the power of the system, and that's proprietary strategies that you can use on any instrument you choose, where you can buy with institutional trends the bottom and you can sell the top. You decide, do you want to trade weekly? Or do you want to trade 5-minute chart? Or do you want to trade 15-minute chart? Identical price action. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. If you can trade one, you can trade all with Alpha Fibonacci system. This is strategic, precise, institutional trend system that removes speculation and allows trader to trade markets as strategic alpha Fibonacci chess across all instruments. System consists of only two components: indicator free price and proprietary alpha Fibonacci retracement. So if we take a look on what's playing out currently on top stock, one of the top stocks on the planet, this is Amazon traders. Bullish rally overextended. Buying the bottom on Amazon was a brilliant thing to do. Ultimate buy point 1200. For the last 2 months, no matter what you hear on the news, Amazon is a major mess. Bullish rally overextended from 1300 until 3400. This is spectacular bullish rally. If you did not have opportunity to buy at the bottom, this is your other opportunity that was present during the entire 2019 multiple times. Now, Amazon overextended. No matter how spectacular the earnings are, Amazon in excruciating pain. That's identical formula that plays out this morning on S&P traders, when S&P skyrocketed and collapsed instantly in the last few days. All in advance, never ever after the fact. If I convert this chart to 5-minute chart, what do you see? With Alpha Fibonacci system, you can buy the bottom and sell the top. As you will see on multiple examples, as you will see on multiple time frames, traders do all over the world with ultimate precision, without stress, without panic. And that's with multiple examples next. Here's one of my favorite students in the last 10 years. When Andy, his father, brought Dominic to the course, Dominic reminded everyone how simple system is. After 3 classes, after 3 weeks of practicing, Dominic went live, and you can listen to podcast with Dominic on our website. So 14-year-old boy can trade the system. What does it show you? As Dominic says in podcast, it's the best video game in town. Simply obey the rules and make an effort. As Dominic knows clearly what he will do as his career at the age of 14. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. You will never need anything else. With Alpha Fibonacci trading system, trader can trade any instrument with precision, from 1, 5, 15-minute S&P and Q Dow futures to 60-minute Bitcoin, Euro, Pound, Apple. Anything you choose, you can trade because formula remains the same. Alpha Fibonacci system identifies institutional buy and sell points well in advance. On day trading charts, minutes and hours in advance. On long-term charts, weeks, months, and years in advance. Here's very powerful reminders of what played out in the market in the last few months. This is Dow sell-off in progress in the months of January and February. What do we know ahead? 19,000 is the crucial institutional support, bright green line. So when market continues selling off, intelligent trader, intelligent position trader, and investor and day trader on Black Thursday knows clearly to turn off the noise and to pay attention to price only. And when price reaches crucial support identified months in advance, it is your ultimate opportunity to buy the bottom with institutions. As long as you recognize noise designed to create panic, to create negativity, it sells. I teach my students how to buy the bottom with institutions. And that's exactly what played out on March 23rd, when the most powerful vertical rally had started and continued. Despite the worst crisis, flawless vertical bullish rally, reaching Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone last week, identified in advance. So are you panicking because you saw selling pressure? No one should be surprised. This is down now, right in front of you. Do you know what to do with price? Are you prepared for extreme volatility in the months of November? This is chop. This is correction. Vertical rally reached reversal zone, identified months in advance. And that's the power of the system. And Alpha Fibonacci trader understands powerful sell-off versus correction. This is when you stop stressing out. This is when you stop panicking. This is when you identify ultimate buy point and ultimate exhaustion of the bullish trend. Sellers are weak traders. Intelligent trader knows what to pay attention to. Just like intelligent trader knew to buy the bottom post-hold mid-March. This was the bottom. Now we are at the top. So if you understand where institutions taking positions, if you're understanding where to buy and where to sell with top Wall Street firms, you're in excellent shape. You're very well prepared. You're turning off the noise and you're buying the bottom with institutions. 19,000 level. All in advance. Ultimate bottom, March 23rd. Now, bullish trend exhausted. We're no longer at the bottom. We are at institutional reversal zone. Knowing what to pay attention to, knowing what to do with your position is crucial. And that's how trader gets tested. And that's the power of the system. All identified in advance with ultimate precision, with precise entry, stop, and target, no matter what you trade. Here's the email I received this morning from Carlton. Carlton and I are doing podcast on our podcast session on Thursday. As he says, I made 6,000 today, 2,300 on Friday, but could have easily made 50 points of contract on Friday. Jennifer, her husband Emmanuel, brought her to the course. You saw their photos on front page. What does she say? This week I increased my account by 70%. Emmanuel more than doubled. And that's while managing 2 little babies, jobs, and businesses. And that's what's possible with Alpha Fibonacci system. Dreams can come true with just a couple of hours a day. And that's the power you can harness with pure price only. This is what these traders trade. No indicators on this chart. It is that simple. Crucial buy and sell zones with precise entry stops and targets, you know, in advance. And when the scanner giving you alert, you take a trade. All depends what instrument you trade. And if you decide to upload multiple instruments to the scanner, it's not a problem. All depends on your risk management when you choose a different trade. This trade is trading different instruments. You decide, is it Bitcoin? Is it S&P? Is it stocks? Is it options? Choice is yours. And that's what method all about, starting with first key step. Every single morning with students, we identify key institutional trends and ranges prior to placing a trade. Without this, trading is gambling. If you are not riding JP Morgan train, if you are not riding Goldman Sachs train, you're trading against them. How can anyone trade without institutional trends, institutional ranges? I do not know. This is where your pain stops, and this is where you take your gems with power. As again, the vertical rally during the worst economic crisis is a stunning reminder of the importance of trading with institutions and never, ever, ever against them. So imagine, would you do much better if you knew every single day where JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Wall Street firms taking positions? Of course, you would be trading with the highest probability. You would not be standing in front of powerful train. You would be riding this train with volume and power. And that's critical, crucial moment in your trading and the crucial first step each and every day. So this is comments from our traders. 2 minutes after market open, less, done, 26 points, Rob 15, Gary supporting traders, Brad 3 points, Emmanuel 30, Dow, look at that, 2-minute trading day. Multiple times, you are done within few minutes. If you are at institutional buy and sell zones. Scott decides to trade stocks after increasing his account from 100,000 to 4.5 million in less than a month. Ken chooses to trade Bitcoin. Jean trading options. All of this in the last few weeks. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. System applies to it all. With institutions, the traders trade only, never, ever, ever against them. You can trade it all, as method applies to every instrument, every time frame, and can be traded on any platform. So this is how simplistic the system is. This is the reason 14-year-old boy can trade the system. This is precise entry, precise stop, precise target. You don't need indicators, traders. You need to focus on pure price only. This is all that matters. No speculation, no stress, no hesitation. You sell at resistance with institutions and you buy at support. That's it. Black and white. Nothing blocking your chart, nothing blocking your vision. It is pure. It is clear. Entry, stop, and target on any instrument you choose to trade. And if you're trading Amazon, this is Amazon in 2018, stock mid-trend between crucial decision point 2 and decision point 1 for 4 weeks. Intelligent trader understands years in advance when Amazon will come to 2000 level, expect sell-off. No matter how spectacular the earnings on Amazon are, this is what plays out. Amazon selling off. Shock or not. Excellent earnings and Amazon selling off $700 per share. Of course. If trading on the earnings worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. Following year, Amazon reaches this level again, sells off again, $400 per share. How is it possible? Market is alpha Fibonacci puzzle. And that's the reason this played out again and again and again. And that's very powerful reminder. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. If you know hours in advance on day trading chart where reversal zone is, if you know months and years in advance on long-term chart where reversal zones are, you stop losing sleep. You start trading strategically with precision, any instrument you choose in any market. Choice is yours. Key step of the Alpha Fibonacci system is to trade with rules. So if you drive car with rules, if Tom Brady wins Super Bowl with rules, if Lewis Hamilton wins Formula One with rules, if Serena Williams wins multiple Wimbledon with rules, how can you possibly become successful in trading, speculating in the markets when it's a common data? 5% that makes it in day trading plays by the rules. In investment decision, in position trading, you have much more space to speculate. In day trading, precise entry, stop and target critical, crucial. Same applies to position trading with alpha Fibonacci system. Would you be less stressed out if you traded with rules? These traders do. As you can see, Andy sharing, my 14-year-old son up 325 points on Dow this week using only alpha Fibonacci system, maximum 2 hours per day. Ken trades options on Bitcoin, 5 minutes and done. Scott trading 90 minutes per day, but he's obsessed with the markets and the system. He loves it so much, he loses sleep and spending as much time as possible. You decide, choice is yours. Is it 1 hour per day or is it 2-3 hours per day? Average time per week, 8 hours. As shown by traders globally, in the last 10 years. That's it. It's simple. Pure price for entry, proprietary alpha Fibonacci retracements for exits. You can trade anything you choose on any instrument, on any account. Doing this. Here's your precise entry, here's your precise stop. You're buying at support, you're trading with institutions. You're turning off the noise, you're turning off the panic, you're turning off gambling mentality, you're turning off instant gratification, greed, and ego. You're trading as top 1% does. You are no longer majority that chases the markets, that chases endless indicators. You are strategic, institutional trend trader. You buying with Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan traders. The bottom, you selling the top. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. You will never trade anything else again. And if you decide to invest long term on Apple, let me remind you what played out in the last 5 years. 2016, Apple comes out with the worst earnings, but Apple at critical alpha Fibonacci support, 93 level. I presented hedge fund convention and I state if this support is respected, I expect Apple to rally drastically higher. It is posted on social media, YouTube channel, LinkedIn. We're discussing it in the room every single day. Despite worst earnings in 13 years, 2 years later, Apple doubles in value. What does Apple do after the subsequent earnings reaches next level? After the following earning, Apple reaches reversal zone. Intelligent trader knows 216 is a critical, crucial support. What do you see at the bottom? It's a reversal zone. Look to buy. This support is out, Apple in free fall. But when Apple reaches 140, it's a stunning buy zone. And when Apple comes back to reversal zone and selling off again, there is no surprise. All in advance and all precise. As on S&P 5-minute, as on Dow 1-minute, as on Apple, as on Amazon. That's how you trade alpha Fibonacci system. Price action remains the same. Scott is a legend in the course, really motivating and inspiring others. As you can see, we love, love, love sharing experiences, inspiring other traders. You can witness the movie on the website. Ken made about his journey is a Bitcoin trader, and traders sharing what they trade and how. All of this playing out currently. Ken currently 100 at 100. It's no longer 88 for 88. That's it. And that's what traders do all over the world. If they can do it, so can you. Simply make an effort. Mindset is a core of alpha Fibonacci system. So since the start of the course, you can see Scott almost increased his account by $2 million. But when he started futures account, it's much smaller volume, as you can witness and see in the videos on our website. Endless podcasts, endless stories from traders. Listen, to Dominic, listen to Ken, listen to Emmanuel, listen to Pablo, complete beginner trader who is currently funded by Top Step Trader. Listen to David, listen to Brad who was making $9 an hour. Wait till you see what he does currently. And if you would like to see movies students make about their performance, please do, as their personal journeys will inspire you. If they can do it, so can you. Many podcasts from traders all over the world being updated weekly. Their journeys, their stories unique. You will find someone who is just like you, been struggling for many, many years until they found Fibonacci Trading Institute. Traders do not struggle, do not speculate no more. They trade with institutions, with rules, with power. Here are more examples. Here's oil. In 2016, sell-off on oil reaches ultimate bottom, ultimate alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, correct? And when the bottom is reached and oil finding the buyers, it's a beautiful thing. 2 years later, oil skyrockets. What do you see ahead? 77 level, alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. And when oil starts showing selling pressure, everyone knows 64 holding the key. 64 is out, oil in free fall. 55 next, all in advance, never after the fact. So if you understand the events of 2018, as we dissect in class, since 2018, Alpha Fibonacci trader knew that oil heading to historical low levels. That's stunning reminder. When oil heading to 15 and follows with surreal number. Is it possible it's pointing to -8? It's pointing to 0? Yes, that's what played out on oil, on institutional chart. And when oil staged spectacular reversal, no one should be surprised. It's alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, ultimate place to buy. Currently oil in excruciating pain. It's at critical resistance. It's been here for the last 3 months. This is the end of the minor trend, not the place to enter into. It's a brick wall. Bearish correction in a play. Intelligent alpha Fibonacci trader knows very, very clearly what to do with position. But the events on oil in the last 2 years is another powerful reminder of the power of the system. Day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. All in advance, never after the fact. Third key step of the Alpha Fibonacci system, identify your trading range prior to trading. Every single day trading range will change. It is essential and critical to understand that. If you do not understand the difference in trading days, in trading ranges, you have a lot to learn. Right now, market in excruciating pain. Sellers are non-existent. This pullback is weak. And when you take a look on hourly chart and you understand how crucial and critical these moments in the market are, when price is frozen at resistance for hours, it confirms how weak sellers are. When institutions continue buying the pullbacks with vengeance. So if you understand this, you're trading in peace, stress-free, with powerful trading ranges, which played out in the last few days in Asian and European session, as it did on oil, with vicious institutional buying and very weak sellers again. And that's the formula of a very big difference in every trading day. This is what laid out at difficult trading ranges, which will continue until the week of presidential election. As Jason shares, Dow is mentally irregular, no trades this morning, but traded S&P for 3.5 and gold for 8 points. Preston 48 points on Dow. Jennifer, whose husband Emmanuel brought her to the courts, 35 points, 2 points S&P, 14 points in Q. Scott enjoying cryptocurrencies. Every trader, different account, different time frame, different instrument. You decide what you want to trade. And if you decide to trade gold future, of course, identical formula applies with precise entry, with precise target, with precise stop. But if Forex your cup of tea and you choose long-term positions, of course, take a look what played out on pound in the last few years. Since 2008, pound continued respecting alpha Fibonacci support. Do you remember this identical support on Apple where Apple doubled from? All exactly the same. Everything is identical. Identical support on Apple, identical support on pound. What do you see next? 124 and 111, correct? So how is it possible that post-Brexit pound rallying? It is very, very simple because price reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. And the events of last year, despite COVID, is a flawless reminder. No matter how brutal the events in the world are, when ultimate bottom is present, you never, ever, ever short near. You're looking to buy the bottom with institutions. And that remains constant and that will never end. Buy at support, sell at resistance. With institutional trading ranges, with clear, defined set of rules. No speculation here. Trade with ultimate synchronicity with multi-market scanner. Simply wait for your trade and scan hundreds of markets in seconds. Trade stress-free without need to stare at chart, without need to chase the markets and place the trades after the fact. And if I bring up to your attention this scanner, you can easily do this. Right click at the instrument. And if you do, with a single click, you're populating anything you choose. And if you decide to add multiple instruments, you can easily with single click continue selecting all. Absolutely. That's it. Stress-free trading traders. Choose your best trade trade with institutions. Do not overcomplicate markets. Pretty please. Stop thinking as majority does. Synchronicity is the most powerful feature that shows clear institutional volume. And that's what these traders trade. With established system, with like-minded traders, with experienced mentor. This is common. Thousands and thousands of emails and posts, and traders all over the world do this. If they can do it, so can you. You simply have to make an effort. You simply have to recognize that thinking as majority does is not a path of success. Stop chasing indicators. Stop chasing magic bullet. You are the one who is magic bullet. With a powerful system, with your effort, the skies are the limit. And that's what traders do all over the world. This is what plays out every single day in Fibonacci Trading Institute. When traders utilizing the system on NinjaTrader 8 with software, but you can also trade on any platform. A system being traded globally on any platform you choose. And that's in detail explained on our homepage, traders. Proprietary alpha Fibonacci method traded on Wall Street and 50 countries since 2011 on all instruments, all platforms. Method based on pure price and proprietary alpha Fibonacci strategies. So any platform you choose, as long as it has Fibonacci retracement, you can trade the method on. But if you prefer to trade with software for Ninja 8, it is our most popular option. Software came out in 2019. It is lifetime license, semi-automated system with multi-market scanner. 4 options available to you with 3 months live classes, with 6 months private mentoring, with video library, with modules, with trading room included. And today is the first time I announce Genesis Trading Bootcamp, as we're setting up for historical volatility during election in US. So if you click on the product section, Genesis Trading Bootcamp explained in detail. As I certainly hope you will join us at this annual Genesis Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp at no cost to new September and October students, with savings up to $5,000 off each package. Only 11 spaces left. We will be meeting for 10 days from October 26th through November 6th. Sooner you start, more prepared you will be. Genesis is additional trend strategy, is additional software package on Ninja that you can trade on 1-minute Dow, 5-minute S&P, or Apple monthly, or Euro 4-hour chart, or Bitcoin hourly, as traders trade all over the world. Additional options available to you, which is done only once per year. It is never a requirement to attend all sessions. You can view video library 24/7. And that's all in addition to standard 4 packages. Any questions for me? Please do ask. And do not hesitate to call me. But please, listen to students view their journeys. We're having a blast every single day, diving deep into traders' mindset, into execution, into every single trade, where you learn that market is flawless. Alpha Fibonacci chess. You can see it on our YouTube channel. So if you scroll below and dissect all of these options, it is very self-explanatory, traders. And if you have any questions for me, I highly encourage you, simply pick up the phone and call me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you so much, traders. Any questions, please do ask. So one moment, please. Give me 1 second. I will want to make sure I give you the link. And then I would take a look on your questions. 1 moment, please. Yes, of course. Package applies to S&P, absolutely. Yes, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade options, you can trade anything. You decide what you want to trade. Every trader trades different instrument. Yes, in Bootcamp we will be reviewing all the instruments in live markets. We have multiple traders on platforms I've never even heard of, traders. Never even heard of. So you decide absolutely what instrument, what platform you want to trade. So if you're looking at the option question, can I trade on TradeView? Can I trade on Thinkorswim? Of course, this is the option for you. It is the first option, as you can see. Life Mastery Group Mentoring for any platform. As again, software for Ninja 8 came out in 2019. At the beginning of each trading day, we discuss where ultimate buy and sell point is, and we review trades. Absolutely. Majority of traders, day traders, trade S&P and Dow. I would say probably 70–80% of traders. Multiple option traders in the course who are trading on Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is an option trading platform. I know institutional reversal points because this is what method based on, and this is what you learn in the course. So let me show you what member area looks like, traders. So this is member area. So when you log into the member area, you receive very clear instructions. As I just constantly receive emails from traders who join us. How easily maneuverable and self-explanatory the area and the website is. So if you're in Australia, if you're in South Africa, if you're in Kuwait or London, and you decide to view videos and read modules 24/7, of course, you can easily do so. Nothing is a problem. As you can see, videos loading on every subject. Do you want to trade long-term futures? No problem. Do you want to trade oil? No problem. Lifespan and why we age and mindset is a critical, crucial part of trading. We're dissecting every single chart from 1 to 21 to hourly. As you can see, more and more, we're not just flat, linear, narrow-minded community. We're diving deep into mindset and well-being of trader. And if I show you the modules, very clear and very simple. Enjoy. That's where you log in, and that's where you see Alpha Fibonacci tool, and you learn the rest. That's it. And if these traders can do it, as you listen on podcasts, you will find all the answers to your questions. You will find the trader who trades the instrument you do. Manu trades S&P, so is Brad, legend in the course. If you click on reviews, you will see more and more what students share, their journeys. Brad was making $9 an hour, trying for 20 years. This is what he's done. This, taking account from $20,000, well above hundreds of thousands of dollars. Time and time again. This is what traders do all over the world. You want to trade options? Not a problem. I teach you how to trade price action. I teach you how to trade the most powerful strategies ever. You decide if you want to trade stocks, Forex, options, no problem. Our students winning Forex competitions. That's standard, that's typical. Nothing is a problem if you make an effort. Any other questions? So the special this week, the special right now, for the first time I'm announcing, this is annual event traders, Genesis Trading Bootcamp, savings of up to $5,000. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be for historical week of presidential election. We have so many graduates who are coming for this annual event. If you are a new student, this is included at no cost to you. And if you start today or you start next week, or you can sign up today and say, I prefer to start on October 15th, not a problem. All of this savings included to you. Genesis trading system for any platform included savings of $2,000. You choose to utilize software, savings of $3,000. With 10 days of the live trading bootcamp, value of $2,000. Graduates coming back and paying the fee to do this again because this is top annual event. Additional strategy, additional software, additional bootcamp. New students, absolutely no additional fee. Total discount up to $5,000. Simply choose from the option appropriate for you. Click here and decide which option you would like to choose. That's it. For any platform, only $29.77. Lifetime strategies that will change your trading forever. With software, lifetime license of software, all of this with bootcamp. 3 months with bootcamp, with multi-market scanner, with video library, with live guided trading, with modules, with trading room. All of these packages. If you're considering private mentoring, please speak with me first. I have only 2 spots available. After that, waiting list only. That's it. This is what traders do. And this is how powerful the system is, as traders share all over the world. If you are choosing to trade with system that's traded on Wall Street, that traded by hedge fund managers all over the world, without indicators, using only pure price, you will never need anything else ever again. That's it. Please explain any platform. So software for Ninja 8 had been developed in 2019. 2019, first time came out 2019. For previous 9 years and currently we have students who are on MT4, on Thinkorswim, on TradeStation, on TradingView. They don't need software. So you are not receiving multi-market scanner. You are not. You are utilizing the system and proprietary strategies without scanner. And that's the difference. Without software. That's it. So the regular price for these courses is drastically higher. And if you choose, please review. Those are the savings currently. So savings of $4,000 for any platform. As you can review what's included. This is for any platform. Let me give you the link. Below the product section, this is for Ninja 8. This is most popular option. You decide what market you want to trade. Choice is yours. What subscription you will get for what market. We have traders who are trading Bitcoin. We have traders who are trading Forex. We have traders who are trading options. Choice is yours. Yes, I'm not selling you Ninja software. It has nothing to do with buying Ninja software. This is a system. This is Alpha Fibonacci system. So please review the details. Please do not confuse the two. Ninja is entirely separate from Alpha Fibonacci system. My joy and pleasure. So for Ninja 8, this is your option. Lifetime license of software for Alpha Fibonacci system with Genesis system with Bootcamp, all included. This is annual event that will not repeat. I have absolutely no plans and no idea when I will ever do this again. And again, if you're considering private mentoring, please speak with me first. Currently, I work with private mentees in London. Dominic, for example, 14-year-old and his father. I work with hedge fund manager in Middle East. I work with retail trader in Chicago with accounts from few $1,000s to multi-million-dollar account to billions of dollars traded with system. Choice is yours. You decide. So please listen to podcasts. Please view students' journeys, because if these traders can do it, so can you. We have very powerful community of very positive, powerful traders who supporting each other. And that's what we do every single day, focusing always on mindset and lifestyle of trader. Without this, nothing is possible, especially during this crisis. Today, I unveiled new crucial, critical component. And when students joining us who are Harvard professors, who are Stanford surgeons, who are top leading experts, read and listen to their reviews. Everyone having the most incredible time in our community of traders. Choice is yours. What platform, what instrument you will decide to trade. Any other questions, traders? Please do ask. Can you use a program on both laptop and desk? No. You can use software on only one computer. So if you would switch for months, not a problem. But you cannot operate software simultaneously on multiple computers. No one in this business would ever allow you to operate with single license on multiple computers. This is single license package for single computer, which is absolutely standard. And if you will decide to buy separate license, additional license, it is only $14.97. Only. How is it effective for Forex pairs? How is it effective for Forex pairs? I don't know. Tell me. Student winning Forex competition, is it effective? We addressed Forex. Is this effective? You decide. That's it. Yes, our students winning Forex competitions, black and white. It is that simple. And by the way, it is all in the webinar that I can show you, as you can read to all the posts from students. The emails keep pouring, traders, pouring daily, as those who make an effort killing it in this market. Pablo is my dearest friend for life. Pablo never knew how to push button on computer. Pablo had no idea what Ninja is. He was laughing. Who calls platform Ninja? Now Pablo is top step trader. His performance success rate of 90%. He thinks trading is the easiest thing on the planet. He's never been exposed to any indicators. He focuses on pure price. Brett started trading 2018. This is the email from a year ago. Brett constantly updating us. This is what he's done. Right now, he's building a brand new home. That's it. Endless journeys, endless stories from all over the world. If these traders can do it, so can you. Simply make an effort. Tom Brady does to win Super Bowl. Lewis Hamilton does to win Formula One. So does Serena Williams. So does Djokovic, making an effort. What separates them from the rest is mindset and equipment they have. With powerful strategy, with your effort, the skies are the limit. You decide what instrument you want to trade. It is that simple. Any other questions, traders? So if you would like to listen to our podcast channel, please come to SoundCloud. If you would like to view thousands of videos on our YouTube channel, please do so. If you would like to read reviews on Facebook, absolutely. Our students are very outspoken and very, very powerful testimonials on all of these forums. And again, if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. Please call or email me 925-257-4298 info@fibinstitute.com. So one of you guys just signed up, so number of spaces just dropped to 10. Sam, welcome. Joy and pleasure having you on board. Fantastic to work with you. Please keep an eye on agreement, and I look forward to seeing you in classes tomorrow morning. Brilliant, powerful decision. Thank you so much, traders. Have an incredible afternoon. I look forward working with you. I am between East and West Coast. I just came back to the West Coast. I was in New York for the previous months. Any other questions for me, traders? So thank you, traders. Thank you so much. Any questions, please reach out. I love what I do. Thank you so much, everyone. Be well. Stay blessed. Sam